Hello children, welcome to our class of science. Today we are going to start up with our new chapter, that is combustion and flame. So children, without wasting time, let's get started with our chapter. So the first part is about combustion. What is combustion? Okay, so combustion क्या होता है? Combustion is a process when a substance it reacts with air to form heat and light. We call this process as combustion. See, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat and light is called as combustion reaction. Combustion reaction का example क्या है? The example is burning of gas. ठीक है? Burning of paper. This is what a combustion reaction. जैसे ही पेपर को हम इग्नाइट करते हैं with the help of matchstick, it starts burning. Burning मतलब क्या होता है? हीट की वजह से it is matchstick के हीट की वजह से it is reacting with the oxygen and the substance that is paper is reacting with the oxygen to give us heat. हीट मिलता है, हमें गर्म महसूस होता है और लाइट भी दिखता है. ठीक है, दैट इज येलोइश लाइट, वी कैन सी इट. सो ऑक्सीजन इज नेसेसरी फॉर द कंबशन टू टेक्स प्लेस. डेफिनेशन क्लियर? द केमिकल प्रोसेस इन विच अ सब्सटेंसेस reacts with oxygen to give out heat and light is called as combustion process. Now what is necessary for the process of combustion? For the process of combustion, oxygen is necessary. Without oxidation there will be no combustion reaction. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं for fire to take place oxygen is needed. In absence of oxygen there is no fire. ठीक है? So respiration is a kind of, हम जो respire करते हैं, it is a kind of slow combustion of food which takes place in the body to form टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी. ये एक स्लो कंबशन का एग्जाम्पल है. जब हम इनहेल करते हैं ऑक्सीजन, गिव आउट करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हमारे पेट में जो फूड है, डाइजेस्टेड फूड है, उसका क्या होता है? कंबशन होता है. अभी यहाँ पे लाइट फॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है, यहाँ पे हमारा जो बॉडी टेम्परेचर है दैट इज ड्यू टू दी स्लो कंबशन प्रोसेस. ठीक है, और एट द एंड क्या मिलता है? हमें एनर्जी मिलती है, हम काम करते हैं with the help of energy. So it is an example of slow combustion reaction. ठीक है. Rusting of iron is also a slow combustion reaction. ठीक है. आयरन का जो रस्टिंग होता है that is it is reacting with the oxygen to give you out a certain product is also a combustion reaction. उसमें heat भी formation नहीं होता है and there is no light formation. There is only a formation of ये we have already studied in metals and non-metals. जब metal react करता है oxygen के साथ there is formation of metal oxide, which is this type of reaction is what? It is a slow combustion reaction. So types of combustion reaction. अभी हम देखते हैं कि what are types of combustions. First is combustible and second one is the non-combustible substances or the reaction. ठीक है, combustible and non-combustible substances or reactions. We will move to our first part which is combustible substances. ऐसे substances जो जल सकते हैं, combust हो सकते हैं, we call it these substances as combustible substances. Those are, see, I repeat the definition, those substances which can burn are called as combustible substances. For example है paper, wood, kerosene, petrol, charcoal, diesel, then you have cow dung cakes. ये सारी wood, ये सारी चीज़ें burn होती है, combust होती है, hence they are called as combustible substances. Our next is non-combustible substances. ऐसे substances which cannot burn are called as non-combustible. अभी इसके examples क्या है? Examples are stone, glass, bricks, soil, sand, water, iron, nails, copper, material and asbestos. ऑल दीज आर नॉन कंबस्टिबल, यानी मेटल्स भी है इनमें, ठीक है, सीमेंट है, ग्लास है, ये जलने वाली चीजें नहीं है. सो वी कॉल देम एज नॉन कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंसेस. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट our introduction about combustion and types of combustion. In the next period we will be meeting with our other part related to this chapter. For time being, children, keep on studying, stay home, stay safe.